what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me a sign, just give me the green light.
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me a sign.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to Volkswagen stand, and now we have a chance to see the world premiere of the new T-Roc Cabriolet. Now this is a very interesting and unusual car, so Volkswagen really decided to showcase the Cabrio version, and yes, this is the series production car, so you will be able to buy this car, so the T-Roc without roof. Really, you know, it feels weird to say that, but yeah, this is what Volkswagen decided to do, and I think, of course, there will be customer for this kind of car. Basically, you have this roof which can go down, up and down in only 9 seconds, and let me show you the way it looks. So here it is, the way it looks from behind. It's a bit unusual, and now you see only 9 seconds and boom, we are done. You have the top down and you can roll through the city, through the nature, whatever you want. So pretty interesting design. They did, you know, some modifications to the chassis and to the car because they lost the B and C pillar when they don't have the roof. So there were some modifications in order to stiffen the car. But yeah, it's actually a bit longer than the classic T-Roc. That's a bit weird. So wheelbase is extended, and here we have it in the regular trim, and that is the airline trim, of course, with the bigger wheels and more attractive bumpers. And let me show you the front of the car, of this one. So this is the Cabriolet style. Which one do you prefer? Which color do you prefer? I think this color is better, but of course the airline trim is much nicer. And this is how you open the trunk. And it's actually, you know, pretty wide and pretty deep. You can see, I don't know if now camera is catching it, all the way there. So should be okay for, you know, some basic stuff. And now let's take a look inside. So you have a very nice leather R-line seats with the R badge over here. Then you do have the also R-line special steering wheel. It feels pretty comfortable here. You do have the digital cockpit in front of the driver, which we also saw in the regular Volkswagen T-Roc. And then you also have the latest Volkswagen Infotainment System with this touchscreen. Of course, this part is still, you know, a bit too plastic in my opinion, but okay. You do have a wireless charging in here and 2 USB-C ports. This is of course the DSG dual clutch gearbox, and I love the way this steering wheel, the shape of it, and also the way it feels underneath the hands. You do have some white stitching to go with the exterior color of the car. Okay, so now I adjusted the seat to be a bit more up near the steering wheel, and let's see the space we have at the back. So we do have some space, but you know, only for smaller road trips. Tell me guys, what do you think about the interior of this car, and overall about, you know, the fact that T-Roc is available without the roof. A bit crazy, but as I already said, there will be customers for this car. So yeah, so let's see, my friend just entered the car, and let's see if he can fit. Well, he can barely fit. I don't know how's the situation when the roof goes here. Will he be able to fit then? But yeah, look at this spoiler. It's also a nice detail. It's also on the R-Line, and also on this one you do have the spoiler. So interesting design, interesting look of the car. Tell me in the comments what you think about it. So once again, we are looking at it losing its roof, and yeah, well, that was it. That was the first look at the T-Roc Cabrio. Tell me in the comments, do you like it? Which one would you take? And speaking of the base price of this car, so now they've announced it, so it starts from 28,000 euros. Okay, so that was it, guys. First look at the all-new T-Roc Cabrio. Tell me, guys, what do you think about it? And do subscribe to the channel to see more car reviews. See you on the next one. Bye bye.